Good afternoon, good evening, good night everybody. Happy Tuesday to you all. Happy Tuesday, 17th of March. It is day 30. Day 30 of the chili grow. Quite the milestone. It's quite a day to celebrate. Already decided to get a bit of online groceries, so I'm going to have me a steak and a nice big glass of Chilli sparkling grape juice drink. Substitutes the wine that I used to have. Can pretend, you know, it's a lot better without the alcohol. Trust me on that. I cannot trust me enough. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're having a great day. We're having an awesome day. It's cold, but as you can see, the sun is shining. Weather is sweet. So I hope you're having a great day. We're doing great. Miss Lucy's doing good. Just going to take her out for a quick piddle and we'll get the day going. Yeah. Marvellous day. Windy though, my goodness. I hope whatever you're doing today is what you're enjoying the most. You're having a great day. You're going to have a great week. And no one's going to stop you from doing that. Right, the wind's probably blowing like crazy, I apologise. Let's get this chili grow up checked out and looked at on day 30. News. The weather forecast was just on the television and they said, you know what, it's going to be about 14 to 15 degrees. So here's the plan for day 30. We're going to be getting them outside, giving them some natural sunlight, best thing for them, and they're going to do about an hour. They've done a half hour already, but that was a couple of weeks back, and it's just been terrible weather or very low temperatures. So we'll get them all out on the front lawn, get them all in the sun, get them some rays, and see how they turn out. Let's do this. Okay, we are outside. Alright, kid. Pop Lucy Lou on the grass for a little bit. We are outside, and so are the plants. So they're going to take about an hour in the sun today. Keep an eye on them so they don't get sun scalded. You can tell by the leaves. Get this discoloration on them. You can see a lot of them are quite flexy in the wind or been quite blown over already. There you go with the breeze going on. So this just shows you need an oscillating fan when it's growing indoors. Just on lightly, just breezing along. Because what would have happened is these plants would have been rock solid now. If the wind was blowing, they wouldn't have budged at all. And you can see some of them, I mean, they're still standing strong, but they're flexible. They're quite flimsy. So they're going to have an hour. We're going to keep checking back on them in about every 15 minutes, make sure they're not going to get sun scalded or anything like that. But I think this is the best thing for them. A good strong breeze, well, relatively gentle breeze at the moment, not too strong, but a decent breeze and full sunshine. This is going to work out just perfect, I think. Now let's have a little closer look at all of these and we'll see what happens. We've also taken out our overwintered chili pepper plant. It was trimmed down last year and it was in the kitchen, and the overwinter plants definitely need hardening off. So we've got him now. Leaves already showing, but yeah, let's get him some sun and we'll leave him be. And the others, we'll check them all out when they come back in after an hour. Everything is back in now. They had about an hour out in the sun. As you can see, they were a bit windswept. So I've got a little bit of soil on the side here. I'm going to just doctor them up, prop them up, make sure they're good and straightened. And we'll go through each one, just have a quick glance at them. And you can see for yourselves how they've done today. And we'll get them all back under the light and complete day 30. Cayenne and Armageddon. Scotch Bonnet MOA. And an Armageddon. We have a Kashmiri Murch and a Padron. Large orange tie, and the cayenne. Padron and the Kashmiri Mirch. Cayenne, Kashmiri Mirch, Kashmiri Mirch, large orange Thai, Buena Mulata, Carolina Reaper, Dreamcatcher, Buena Mulata, and Carolina Reaper, and another Carolina Reaper. Dreamcatcher, Zibrangi, and a second, and a third, and a fourth. Ghost pepper, and a large orange Thai. Dreamcatcher, Poblano, Armageddon, ghost pepper, another ghost pepper, Kashmiri Mirch, Poblano, and the cayenne. On it MOA, and a second, and a third, and a fourth. Black jalapeno, and a second. Habanero, and a second. We have 4 Sugar Rush Peach Stripies, and 3 Tabascos. Dreamcatcher, Buena Mulata, another Dreamcatcher, the Zimbabwe Black, Sweet Banana, and the Kashmiri Mirch, and 1 final jalapeno. So there we have it, day 30. I want to thank you all so much for joining us today. I really hope you've had a great Tuesday. And thank you so much for joining, for your likes, shares, subscriptions, comments, any help, any information. It's always greatly appreciated. So what's next? We're going to keep going. Just because we've hit day 30 in a row doesn't mean anything. It's just the first little stepping stone of what I'm hoping for. An incredible journey with a community that we build. And hopefully one day we wake up and it's like, yeah, you've been monetized. It would be nice to get out of this little financial rut of cost of living, what have you. I'm not begging, it's not for charity or nothing. This is just, I wanted to do this so I can document this for memories. Plus my little Lucy, she's going to be 12 in September. You know, I mean, it keeps me awake at night thinking one day she won't be with us, you know. So it's so nice to have these little memories documented just for myself and for other people to see our lives in 2026 and how we go and how these chilies go along. And you never know, it might be a complete disaster one day, a frost. Who knows what's going to happen? But either way, you're here now joining us, and if it's made you smile, made you enjoy your day better, made you think, oh, I'm going to grow my own food, grow my own chilies, then that's awesome. My job's done, my work is done if that's happening. But either way, enough of me rambling. You have yourself a wonderful Tuesday and a great rest of your week. We're going to see you tomorrow. We'll have a look at them chilies and see what's happening in the day. Thank you all so much for joining us. You take care of yourself. Make sure you look after me, myself and I, because nobody's going to throw you a lifeline if you're drowning. You take care, and we'll see you tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye.